Guys, look at these gorgeous pulled pork sliders. Hey, wait till you try this recipe. When you learn how to smoke meat like this, I guarantee you, your cooking is going to change.
Well, howdy folks, I'm Stuart Trotter and this is Texas Cooking Today. Hey, what you're going to be making today is going to be some delicious food, and this is one of my recipe videos. Now if you get to the end of this and you're wondering how to pull off this, that, or the other, I'll tell you what, there's another show on this very same recipe. It's one of my tutorials. So I'll tell you what, it'll be the next episode after this one. Take a look at that. Those are really full of information. Now guys, thank you for watching. Let's get right into making this. Guys, did you see that picture? Look, that is a beautiful, beautiful pork roast. What we've done here is we've just taken the front shoulder of a pig, put it out on some smoke, and let it become delicious. This is using an offset smoker. This is the way we like to do it in Texas. This is how we smoke our meats, guys. So it's a long process. I'll be smoking all day long. Let's get in the kitchen and get this started. We're gonna have a good time. Come on. Guys, look at this great stuff. We've got some pork shoulders here. I've got some mesquite smoking, some smoking wood here. It's mesquite. It's been soaking up in water. Gotta soak it for a few hours first. It works best that way. I have a chimney starter for my charcoal, and my mop I'm going to be making with lard, believe it or not. Lard, some vinegar, salt, garlic, and paprika. And that just makes this great flavor on top of that beautiful smoky flavor that we're going to get in this meat. Guys, this isn't hard. We just need to take the charcoal, get it started up. As soon as it's lit and I'm creating smoke and heat out there, I can then take my meat down and put it on the smoker, and we're up and running. From there, it's just a matter of keeping the temperature right, the smoke right, and kicking back and enjoying your day. Don't mess with that thing very much. Just enjoy your day, check your fire occasionally, and enjoy what you're gonna get from it. Guys, let's get on outside and do this. Guys, when your charcoal ash is over, go ahead and take that and put it right down there in your firebox. Be careful, don't get burned, wear gloves. Guys, once you get your temperature right, go ahead and put your meat out there and just let it smoke. Check that fire about every 30 minutes. Keep the smoke between 200 to 225, light blue and wispy. Now guys, on your mop, all you have to do is melt off that lard. Go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients. Your vinegar, salt, the paprika, and I'm going to remove the husks from this garlic. Just crush it and throw it in there too. Boil that for about roughly 5 to 10 minutes. So you get a good melding of flavors and all the flavors get spread out well in that oil. And of course I say oil, within the fat, and that way the fat will become our carrier for flavor as well as protecting our meat. Now guys, I've got everything in there together. It's just now breaking a boil. Just gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. Once that has cooked off most of the vinegar, and we just have what's left there, we have all that acid left behind too. And it's wonderful, guys. It's it makes a fantastic mop. Now guys, once you get your mop made, go ahead and mop down your meat with it, both sides, all the way around. All right guys, these are in off of the smoker. Now there's only 2 here. I have the others that have been in refrigeration. Look at this, look at that gorgeous, gorgeous color, deep red. And that is that smoke reacting with the myoglobin in the meat. Now guys, if you want to know the whole story on that, and I give all of the details on how it works, that's on my tutorial, and that's going to be that next episode, okay? So check that out. But anyway, we have this gorgeous meat here, and I have some little brioches here, and I'm going to make myself some smoked pulled pork sliders. Oh, what a wonderful springtime item. You guys need to give it a try. So I'll tell you what, thank you. Let's get on with making these. Guys, wonderful, wonderful recipe. As you've seen, it produces a fantastic pork shoulder. The flavors here, wow, they're stellar. They are so good. So I'll tell you what, come close. I'll show you what we really used on all of this and kind of give you
a recipe that you can get started with, and it's not that hard. Come a little closer. Now guys, I started with a couple of small pork shoulders, and as you saw when we got this thing up and smoking, these things kind of open up. They also come wrapped up in these nets sometimes. Don't worry about that. Just get you a pork shoulder. It's inexpensive, and once you've had this smoked pulled pork, it's unbelievably good. The measurements for your base recipe for your mop. Okay, you want to start with about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of lard, and then add 1/8 to 1/4 of a cup of your cider. From there, salt about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half, 2 to 4 cloves on that garlic, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your paprika. And once you've boiled those all together, that becomes your mop, and you're ready to just baste the meat with it any time. So that's the measurements there. Plenty of wood to smoke with. The more of that you have, the better your smoke quality and the better the flavor. Please use your chimney starter, guys, and do not use petroleum to start your fire. It leaves a nasty flavor in your meat. It's a flavor of kerosene, and it's disgusting. Hey guys, look at this. Our sandwiches are hooked up. These are beautiful smoked pork sliders. Look at that. We're talking delicious right here. This is the kind of stuff anybody should just want to dig into. Guys, break it out. Break out that offset smoker and give this a try. Because once you've tried meat that is so beautifully, beautifully crafted, so beautiful and smoky, so deep on that red band. Oh man, that is so tasty. Definitely do this, okay? Hey, I want to say to everyone, thank you so very much for watching Texas Cooking Today for this episode. If you would, please subscribe. And if you haven't done so, click the like button. Comments, questions, suggestions, if you have a request, drop them below. I read those things, guys, believe it or not. That's how I did the King Ranch chicken. Somebody asked for it. They got it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Well guys, once again, thank you very much for watching this show, for watching Texas Cooking Today. If you would, please go to my channel, check things out there. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got stuff coming out every single Thursday, so watch closely. There's some really good stuff coming your way. And thank you again for watching Texas Cooking Today.